Hello, I am Aniket from Tarkashastra Academy. This is Basics of Mathematics Session 6. In this session, we are going to study algebraic expression and quadratic equations. The basics of mathematics, this video series is going to help you understand the basics of maths which you might have forgotten. It is necessary to go through this video series to cover your basis, and it needs to be done before you start preparing for any competitive exam. Let us start with algebraic expressions. So, algebraic expressions, a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Correct? We know this. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Then x plus a into x plus b is what? This is x square. This is x into b plus x into a. That is x common a plus b. And then ab. Okay. Then a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. A minus b whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Then a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. These are the expressions which we use a lot while solving the questions. It is necessary that you write it down and revise these things again. Now, the main agenda behind algebraic expressions is how to add and subtract algebraic expressions. This is what we are going to see. So, for example, 4x square y and 4xy square, they cannot be added. We cannot write it like this 8. We cannot add it. We cannot write it like this 8xy square or 8x square y. Both of these are wrong. Why? Because here the variable part and its power are not same. Okay, if I have something like this 3a square b plus 6a square b, I can add it. I can simply write it like this 9a square b. Why? Because this variable part is same in both the cases. We need to understand that only when the variable part is same, we will be able to add these values. Other important thing is, if we can add it, we can also subtract it. But remember, only this variable part needs to be same. Only then we can add its coefficient or subtract its coefficient. Okay. Now, pause the video and try to solve this. Remember one thing, only if you solve this exercise yourself, then only you will gain something from this video. Okay. So we have to simplify this algebraic expression and write the coefficients. So what we have 2x square into x, that is 2x cube, 2x square plus 2x square into 2, that is 4x square. Then minus 3x into x square, so minus 3x cube. Minus 3x into minus 3 is positive 9x. Minus 5x into x is minus 5x square. And then minus 5x into 5 is minus 25x. Now, I can add or subtract these values. Why? Because its variable part is same. So 2x cube minus 3x cube is minus x cube. 4x square and minus 5x square is minus x square. And 9x minus 25x is minus 16x. Okay. Write the coefficient. So x cube ka coefficient is minus 1. X square ka coefficient is minus 1. X ka coefficient is minus 16. Okay. Next, evaluate the algebraic expression ax square plus by square minus cz for these values. Okay, so ax square plus by square minus cz. So what is the value of a? Minus 2. What is the value of x? 1 and its square. What is the value of B? 1. What is the value of Y? Minus 1 square. Then value of C is minus 2 and value of Z is positive 2. So this is minus 2. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Minus 1 square is positive 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. And then this is minus of minus 4, which will make it plus 4. So what we have minus 2 plus 5, that is positive 3. This is going to be the answer for the second one. Now we have to add these. Simple. So we have 3xy plus 5yz minus 7xz plus 1. Then we have minus 4xy. So minus 4xy. Then plus 2yz. Plus 2yz. Then minus 2xz. Minus 2xz. Plus 5xyz plus 1. So what we have? Plus 1 and then plus 5xyz. What I have tried to do here, all the variables or all the terms with same variables, I have written it one below the other. Now it becomes very easy for me to add because they are asking me to add, I am adding it. So simply adding it, what do we get? Minus xy. 3 minus 4 is minus xy. This is 7yz. This is minus 9xz. Minus 7 minus 2 is minus 9. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 5xyz as it is. Okay. Then again pause the video and simplify these fourth question and solve these three questions. Okay. So what we have? Minus 2a into a is minus 2a square. Minus 2a into b is minus 2ab. Then minus 2a as it is. Then we have minus of a into minus 2a square. Minus 2a is minus 2a square. B into minus 2a is minus 2ab. And then minus a minus 2 as it is. What we have? Minus 2a square minus 2ab. This is minus 2a. Then minus minus will become plus 2a square. Minus minus will become plus 2ab minus a minus 2. So minus 2a square plus 2a square gets cancelled because the variable part is same. And we have minus 2 here and plus 2 over there. Minus 2ab and plus 2ab cancelled. And this is minus 2a minus a and minus 2. So that is minus 3a minus 2. Minus 3a minus 2 is going to be the last final answer. Next, fifth question. We have to add all the following algebraic expressions. First, let us write 5x cubed plus 7 plus 6x minus 5x squared. Then what I do, I write down the same variables one below the other. What we have? 2x squared. So positive 2x squared. Then we have minus 8. So minus 8. Minus 9x. So minus 9x. No term with x cube. Then we have 4x. So plus 4x. Then minus 2x squared. So minus 2x squared. Then positive 3x cube. Perfect. Then 3x cube again. Minus 9x. And minus x squared. Then we have x minus x squared. So we have positive x minus x squared minus x cube and minus 4. We simply need to add this. So we have 5x cube, 5 plus 3 plus 3, 11 minus 1, that is 10x cube. 7 minus 8 minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. 6 minus 9 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 4 is positive x. Positive x minus 9x. Positive x minus minus 8x plus x is minus 7x. Then minus 5x square, these two are gone. Minus 5x square minus x square minus x square is minus 7x square. Simple. Okay. So this was your fifth question. Then let us try to solve the sixth one. Subtract the sum of these two from this. So first we have to add these two. So we have minus 3x cube y square plus 2x square y cube. Then minus 3x square y cube minus 3x square y cube and minus 5y raised to 4. Simply add it. What do we get? Minus 3x cube y square. This is plus 2 minus 3. So minus x square y cube. And this is minus 5y square. Now we have to subtract this from this. So x raised to 4 plus x raised to 3 y raised to 2 plus x square y raised to 3 plus y raised to 4. Now how will I write it? X cube y square, no. So I have minus 3 x cube plus y, x cube y square. Here I have minus x square y cube, minus x square y cube, and minus 5y raised to 4, minus 5y raised to 4. I have to subtract it. So once I subtract it, I get x raised to 4. This will become positive. So x cube plus y square plus 3x cube plus y square is 4x cube plus y square. Again plus sign. So x square y cube, it will be twice of x square y cube. And y raised to 4 plus 5y raised to 4 is 6y raised to 4. Simple. Okay. Moving forward to next questions. They are asking what should be added to this to get this. So 3pq plus 5p square q square plus pq plus what should be added to this so that we get p cube 2p square q square plus 4p cube. Okay, so p cube gets cancelled. 3pq, if it goes here, we are left with only pq because 4pq minus 3pq is pq. And 5p square q square, if it goes here, becomes minus 5p square q square plus 2p square q square is minus 3p square q square. As simple as that. This is what needs to be added to this term so that we get this expression. Okay. Next is we have to subtract this from this. Okay, very easy. So 5x raised to 4 minus 3.2x square minus 7.3x. I have to subtract 4.5x raised to 5. 4.5x raised to 5. Then minus 3.4x square minus 3.4x square and then 5.7. I just have to subtract it. I will write it as it is because the expressions are not same. So 5x raised to 4, then minus 4.5x raised to 5. Here the sign will change. Minus 3.2x square and plus 3.4x square will become 0.2x square. This sign will be negative, minus 7.3x. So minus 7.3x and minus 5.7. That's it. This was your eighth question. Okay, very easy. Only those terms can be added or subtracted for which the variables are same. Ninth, we have 3x plus 23x square plus 6y square plus 2x plus y square plus how much is equal to 5x plus 7y square. Now, if you observe 3x plus 2x is 5x, it gets cancelled here. 6y Square plus y square is 7y square. It gets cancelled here. So your question mark is this 23x square goes here and becomes minus 23x square. Okay, this is what we have learned here. A very easy type of algebraic expression quiz we have solved. I hope you have paused the video and then went through this. Only then it will be beneficial for you. Moving forward to the next concept of quadratic equation. Okay, so let us say in our childhood, how we used to solve the quadratic equation. Let me explain you that process. So in our childhood, what we used to do, x square plus 5x plus 6, something like this is there. We used to split this middle term. Now, condition to split this middle term is very easy. So you have ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This middle term we have to split into b1 and b2. Okay. Such that b1 plus b2 is equal to b and b1 into b2 is equal to a into c. b1 into b2 is equal to a into c. Okay. Now first I'll tell you the method which we used to solve, which we used to solve the questions in our childhood, in our 5th, 6th, 7th standard. So how we used to solve it? What will be the split here? The sum should be 5 and product should be 1 into 6. Product should be a into c, no? So a into c is 1 into 6. So the split will be 3 and 2. So how we used to do it? X square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. X common x plus 3, 2 common x plus 3 equal to 0. Now x plus 3 common x plus 2 equal to 0. Now x plus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. Out of these two brackets, any one bracket should be 0. Only then the whole expression will be equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to minus 2 are the two solutions. Okay, this is the method which we used in our childhood. Now I am telling you a shortcut in this, which is derived from this method only. Okay, so the shortcut says that after you split the first terms using, I mean, after you split the middle term or coefficient of x using this condition, then second step is b1 upon a, b2 upon a. What we are doing, divide by coefficient of x square. We are dividing it by coefficient of x square. And then the third step is minus b1 by a minus b2 by a. Third step is minus b1 by a minus b2 by a. Okay. This is how we need to do it. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Okay, so let us implement it in on this same equation. So we have x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, the third step is change the sign. Okay, first step is 3 and 2. Okay, because 3 plus 2 is 5. Then second step 3 by 1, 2 by 1, because the coefficient of x square is 1. Third step is change the sign, minus 3, minus 2. This is what we had got the roots. These were the roots which we had already got. So same we are getting it again. Next, let us try to solve one more example. Let us say we have 2x square plus 9x plus 9 equal to 0. Okay, 2x square plus 9x plus 9 equal to 0. The product should be 2 into 9, 18. And the sum should be 9. Sum should be 9. What will be the split? Now, the first step is the toughest step. The first step here, it will be 6 and 3. Okay, 6 and 3. So, 6 and 3 total is 9 and its product 6 into 3 product is 18. Okay, if you are able to find out the first step, then second step is easy. 6 by 2, 3 by 2. Third step is minus 3 minus 3 by 2. Third step is minus 3 by 2. Okay. I hope you have understood how to solve the quadratic equations. There are certain variations also in this, which we will see while solving the quiz. But I am not telling you those variations because I want you to solve it yourself. The important thing is I want you to commit those mistakes so that you don't repeat it again. So pause the video and try to solve these 6 to 7 or 8 quadratic equations or find out the value of x. This will definitely make sure that you are good with solving quadratic equations. So let us start. What we have 6x square plus 11x minus 35. 6x square plus 11x minus 35 equal to 0. Now product which we want is 6 into minus 35 minus 210. The product should be minus 210 and sum should be positive 11. Sum should be positive 11. Okay, so we divide it. We get positive 21 minus 10. Okay, first step is very important. If you are able to solve the first step, then you are good to go. So 21 and minus 10, product is minus 210 and sum is positive 11. Second step, 21 divided by 6 minus 10 divided by 6. Third step, change the sign, minus and plus. 21 by 6 is 7 by 2. Minus 10 by 6 is 5 by 3. This was your first question. Second question, what we have 2x square plus 4x plus 2 equal to 0. The product should be 4. The sum should also be 4. It is possible only when the splits are 2 and 2. So second step, 2 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2. Third step, change the sign. Minus 1 minus 2 by 2 is 1, no, but sign change minus 1 minus 1. Third question is minus 4x square minus 8x plus 12 equal to 0. Okay, the product should be minus 48. Product should be minus 48. And the sum should be minus 8. How is it possible? The splits here are minus 12 and 4. Splits here are minus 12 and 4. Minus 12 and 4. Sum is minus 8. Product is minus 48. Second step, minus 12 by 4. Here 4 by minus 4. Third step, minus will become plus. Minus will become plus. 12 by 4 is 3. 4 by 4 is 1. Okay. Fourth one, 20x square minus 46x minus 10 equal to 0. So what will be the split? What will be the split? So 20x square minus 46x minus 10 equal to 0. The split will be minus 50 plus 4 because I want the product to be minus 210 and sum to be minus 46. Then minus 50 by 20, 4 by 20. Third step, change the sign. 50 by 20 will become 5 by 2. 4 by 20 will become 1 by 5. 4 by 20 will become 1 by 5. Okay. Moving forward to fifth question. We have x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. We want the product to be minus 3. Split will be minus 3 positive 1. Simple. Second step, minus 3 by 1, 1 by 1. Third step, positive 3 minus 1. Coming to sixth question. Very easy questions. If you are able to find out the first step, then quadratic equation is very easy to solve. Okay. Next is 5x square minus 4x minus 9 equal to 0. So the split 5 into minus 9 is minus 45. minus 45. I want it to be minus 45. 15 threes are 9 fives are. Okay. I want it to be minus 9, positive 5. Second step, minus 9 by 5, 5 by 5. Third step, change the sign 9 by 5 and change the sign minus 1. Okay. Seventh one, we have 3x square plus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. The product should be 6. Sum should be 5. Split is very easy. 3 and 2. Second step, 3 by 3, 2 by 3. Third step, minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 by 3. Just changing the sign. Eighth, last one. We have minus x square plus 7x plus 18 equal to 0. So product should be minus 18. Product should be minus 18. And sum should be positive 7. Very easy. Positive 9 minus 2. Then 9 divided by minus 1. Minus 2 divided by minus 1. Okay, which is positive 2 again. Third step, change the sign. Minus will become plus 9 and positive 2 will become negative. Okay, I hope you have understood the complete session and you had paused the video at the right time and solved the quiz yourself. Make sure that you utilize this concept or this understanding in your actual exam level preparation. If you have any query, please post it in the comment section. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.